Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, Tuesday, 24th of August 2021, we are about setting up the Tarpaulin fund, 20,000 capacity Tarpaulin fund here in Lokoja. You might be wondering why I'm wearing sunshades. Then the sun here is so crazy and it's just around 8 9 in the morning, but the sun here is crazy. So everything is set. We're about standing before the Tarpaulin. As you can see, you would see behind everything that's the legs and the Tarpaulin itself that we're going to set. So we are going to start that process right now. If you not watch a video of where we cleared this whole place when we were standing in front, and also left it here, you can check it out up here in the card, and also I'll leave that link in the description box. So follow me as we stand the 20,000 capacity here in Lokoja. And if you want to build your own pond, whether Tarpaulin, concrete, earthy, whatever type of pond, or you want advice and training, you can reach out to me. I'll drop my number and my email in the description box, and also it will be showing on your screen now. So let's go on this journey of setting up this farm. So the first thing we're going to be doing is actually placing each tarpaulin with its corresponding legs at each spot where we are going to be setting the ponds at. So each pond we have 14 legs that holds it, 3 hook at the very top that pull it together, then 4 different holding at each side at the top of it. The size of each pond will be 15 by 10 inches by 4 inches, which means each pond will take 1,000 fish up to table size. So like what you are seeing now is we are trying to place each pond, set each pond, because we are doing it in large quantity. We needed more hands to set this up, which of the sites where we've cleared and actually leveled and plastered. So once that is done, then we are going to start setting it up. We have 4 persons to take charge of each pond to set it up. We put each pole inside the tarpaulin to bring it up. If you are going to be doing large quantity like this, it is better to seek the help of a professional to do that for you, compared to if you are just setting up just 1 or 2. It's something you can actually do on your own. But most times, to avoid leakage or any form of maybe bad setting up which might affect the pond at the end of the day when you fully put your fish inside, is also advisable to seek a professional to do that. have agreed to do after we put up one pond and stand it. What one person will be screwing, because the way we did this pond is it has a screw at each angle, that so that the pond, the iron, can be held together. When water comes in, it will not just break out or does anyhow. So we have a screw at each edge of the pond that we were going to screw together to hold the pond firmly. So that is what, so one person, once we stand one pond and put it at its spot, the one person will be screwing it together to hold it firm. Then we go to the next one. When we finish setting the next one, the other person would have finished screwing in the first one, and we move like that until we move to the end. So that's what we are going to be doing. And
I and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I'm out of time. A paradise, and I feel alive. And all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. Yo, I put work in, ×2, grind hard like I'm supposed to. People asking for a handout, man, that's not what we gon' do. Listen here, don't tell me what I am or what I'm gonna be. Listening to God, revving on my speed. Everybody wanna win but never wanna lead. That's why I'm different, teaching kids that they're gifted. In the gym I be lifting, lyrical like I'm spitting. With these lines that I've written, put my fears in submission. I'm just painting my vision, changing lives is my mission. Ayy, snap on the beat like I'm Tony Stark, bringing my thoughts to the dark. People used to hate but now they wanna part. They claim they got some drop but now it's time to park. Well, even then I'm gonna stay flowing, saying traps but I keep going. Like my numbers gotta stay growing. Why you mad? I'm just showing out. Regardless of cloud, y'all should know what I'm about. God talked to me in my drought, he told me be careful and now I'm planning on my routes. Use these words for motivation. When people hate, you gotta keep pacing. Like free runs, I stay lacing. With this life, we still racing every day. Level up, we gon' hit the sky. We gon' fly till the day we die. Yeah, I'm snapping with the stones, call me Tony Stark. Yeah, I'm snapping with the stones, call me Tony Stark. And your whole career, you gon' know exactly who we are.
We just finished. This is past 6 or so. I'll leave the time here. We just set up the 20,000 capacity tarpaulin pond here in Lokoja. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to do the outlet for the water that will discharge the water. So as you can see, this is it. We just finished setting it up. 20,000 it is here in Lokoja. The beauty of fish farming in the heart of Kogi State, Nigeria. So if you want to construct any type of pond, be it concrete, tarpaulin, earthen, plastic, whatever type you want to construct, then you can reach out to me. This is the end of it, and like I said earlier, in my next video you would see how we are going to fix the outlet. Each tarpaulin pond is 15 by 10 by 4 feet, 1,000 capacity each. This farm is 20,000 capacity. Catch you in my next video.
Go with the action, not with the action. Look up to me, yeah, I am the captain. Married to the game, I run with the ring like I'm